Is it time to buy or sell MicroCloud Hologram stock? In this video, we will explore MicroCloud Hologram in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 18th of September, 2025, and we are here to offer you an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that may affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 11th of September 2025, our system has ranked MicroCloud Hologram as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 4.83. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock has seen a gain of 8.09%. This translates to an average return of 1.35% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential for decline within this trend. The current 3-month trend points to a possible decrease of approximately 8% over the next 3 months, with potential returns varying between a drop of 34% and an increase of 7%. When we examine the longer term, our 12-month analysis predicts a projected change of around negative 61%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between a complete loss and nearly 770% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price ranging from $0 to nearly $48.81. Our latest daily update from MicroCloud Hologram features the headline, MicroCloud Hologram Incorporated stock price up 3.31% on Thursday. The MicroCloud Hologram Incorporated stock price increased by 3.31% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 18th of September, 2025. The price rose from $5.43 to $5.61. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 7%, with a day low of $5.43 and a day high of $5.81. The stock has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 28.08% over the past 2 weeks. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 670,000 shares, with a total of 2 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $11.13 million. It is important to consider that declining volume alongside rising prices may indicate a divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $375.20, while the lowest price was $4.16. Currently, the price is 98.5%, or $369.59, below the 52-week high, and 100%, or $141,034.39, below the all-time high, which occurred on the 24th of January, 2023, when the price reached $141,040. MicroCloud Hologram, trading as HOLO, has made headlines this summer that could significantly influence investor expectations. The company has reported a year-over-year turnaround, projecting a net profit exceeding 230 million renminbi for the first half of 2025. Meanwhile, its strategic cryptocurrency allocation, which involves purchases of up to $200 million in Bitcoin-related derivatives, has generated cumulative investment returns amounting to approximately $40,500,000, supported by roughly $394 million in cash reserves. Simultaneously, HOLO is advancing its core technology, including noise-resistant deep quantum neural networks, a multi-qubit state sharing proposal, and recent developments in the precision measurement of quantum oscillations. In the short term, profitability and realized cryptocurrency gains can enhance sentiment and potentially drive the stock price higher. However, volatility is likely to align with Bitcoin fluctuations and any unexpected earnings or derivative mark-to-market adjustments. In the long term, the research in quantum technology and holography presents considerable upside if it can be commercialized or licensed. Yet this potential comes with execution risks, extended timelines, and regulatory exposures. Investors should carefully consider the stronger near-term fundamentals in relation to cryptocurrency correlation and research and development uncertainties. Analysts have assigned MicroCloud Hologram stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified from MicroCloud Hologram. The chart today shows mostly positive signals. MicroCloud Hologram Incorporated stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is evident as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downturn, support is anticipated at $5.18 and $4.70. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, and since then, the stock has risen by nearly 30%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. It is worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day, even with rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, potentially serving as an early warning. Therefore, close attention should be paid to the stock. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence, a buy signal. Pivots, a buy signal from 34 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal from 4 days ago. Short-term moving average, a buy signal from 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal from 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, a buy signal from 5 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, a buy signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, a buy signal from 68 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss from MicroCloud Hologram. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $5.19 and $4.51. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline to the next support threshold. In this scenario, MicroCloud Hologram Inc. finds support just below today's level at $5.19. Should this level be breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $4.51 and $4.38. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicated by its volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 380 cents between its high and low, representing a movement of 7%. Throughout the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 8.75%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for MicroCloud Hologram, let's quickly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profit and could indicate potential risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroCloud Hologram. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroCloud Hologram is at $5.88. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroCloud Hologram encounters its first support level at $5.19. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroCloud Hologram from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 24th of February, 2023, when Wang Maggie conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of ordinary shares, valued at $0.0001 par value. Our recommended stop loss is set at $5.43, reflecting a decrease of 3.14%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a considerable level of risk. There is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 33 days ago. Is MicroCloud Hologram stock a good buy? While the stock is currently in a declining trend, several short-term signals indicate a positive outlook. We believe that the current price may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 19th of September, we anticipate that MicroCloud Hologram will open higher by 671 0.1 of a dollar, starting at $5.62. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.